Hello guys, once again you're welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to launch your Autocad in a way that it will run perfectly well on your system. I'm doing this video tutorial because over time I've had a lot of people complain that Autocad is lagging or making their system to lag, and usually I ask them, how did you launch it? Because when you have a commercial project to do with Autocad that will take long hours to finish, the best way to launch your Autocad is not the usual way that we know. So when you do that, usually when Autocad runs on your operating system over a long period of time, it then begin to make your system to lag. And so from this video tutorial, I want you to watch and learn how to launch your Autocad. So let's go. This is Autocad 2016 English version, and usually the way we do launch our Autocad is just double clicking it to launch it, or you click on it and press your enter key on the keyboard to launch it, or you click on it, right click and click on open. These are the most common way we usually launch our Autocad. But in this video I want to let you know that the perfect way to launch your Autocad, to give your Autocad a complete access to your system, so your system will not lag even while working over long hours, is to launch it this way. When you right click on your Autocad icon on your desktop, go to run as administrator. When you click on run as administrator, what you are telling your system is allow Autocad to have complete access to the operating system of my computer. So when Autocad has a complete access, Autocad will begin to run very well. So let's see, run as administrator. Now we are launching our Autocad on our computer, and it's depending on your system capacity, it will take a while. Then it displays this screen. Usually these are the recent documents that we have done on our system, on my own computer in this case, and so all your recent projects you have done will display on your Autocad screen like this. However, for this case we are looking at a new drawing entirely, so I'm going to click on start drawing. So when I click on start drawing, Autocad displays like this. So in our next video tutorial I'm going to explain what all these tools are meant for, so that you can master your Autocad interface. This is the Autocad interface, and in our next video tutorial I'm going to show you what and how you can use all of them. Please stay tuned, watch, and then share with your friends. Thank you.